Hello, we're happy you're here. We'll be treating on the common errors about tech. 2. Why people make such errors. And 3. How you can begin to identify and correct those errors. Tech is going to steal our jobs. That is the first error. Think back to probably a time where someone you know was bummed that tech stole their job. It's wrong and right. Why? It depends on the industry you work for, depends on who you work for, and lastly, it depends on what your job needs to cost consumers or customers. So, I need to ask, what does all this mean? What do I mean by industry? Industry is this, and this. This is just a whole bunch of pictures. Okay, new definition. An industry is a group of businesses make or sell similar products or give similar services. So what does this have to do with tech? Well, let's look at it this way. Let's say you're an AI software developer. You probably won't lose your job. Or let's say you're a taxi driver. You probably will, because self-driving cars are coming up soon. So where does who we work for matter? Well, have you ever seen these pictures? Handmade chocolate, handmade slippers. This shows that some businesses don't just love handmade stuff, they actually take pride in it. And some consumers love the handmade look made by their fellow human beings. Lastly, how everybody responds to your job really matters. Let's say you are a cleaner. You love your job, but people will criticize you for it. But if you're a caretaker, people won't criticize you for it because nobody wants a robot to care for their child. So, recap time. What have you learned? We learned about industry, number 1. Number 2, we learned that some businesses love handmade things. And, drumroll, we learned that what job we have actually influences. Don't forget to watch another, and please subscribe to this channel. You really help us and support me. Thank you for watching my video.